In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently share a board with others. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just co-creating with a friend, these steps will help you share your board seamlessly and ensure everyone has the right level of access. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the board you intend to share. Navigate to it by using your dashboard or whatever method you use regularly to access your boards. Once you're on the board, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Invite. Sometimes this button might not be immediately visible. If that's the case for you, don't worry. Simply click on the three-dot menu, which you'll find nearby, and then select Invite Members. Once you've clicked Invite, you'll need to add the members you wish to share the board with. Enter their email addresses in the field provided. If you want to add several people, you can enter multiple email addresses all at once. Just make sure you separate each email with a comma. This helps keep things organized and ensures everyone gets the invite simultaneously. Now it's time to set the permissions for each person you're inviting. Permissions determine what level of access each person has to the board. You have three main options here. First, there's the viewer role, which allows people to only view the items on the board. It's perfect if you just want to share what's been done without allowing any modifications. Then you have the member role, which allows invitees to both view and edit items on the board, granting them a more active role in your project. Finally, there's the board owner role. This is the highest level of access, giving full control, including the ability to change settings on the board. Choose the roles wisely based on your team dynamics. Once you've set the appropriate permissions, all that's left to do is send the invitations. Click on the invite button to dispatch those email invitations. As soon as you do this, the users you've invited will receive a notification. They'll be able to access the board immediately once they've accepted the invitation, so keep an eye out for their responses. For those of you with shareable boards who prefer to share with a link, you can generate a shareable link. Simply press Invite again, choose Copy Board Link, and send it to whomever you wish to include. Remember, only individuals with the correct access rights will be able to edit items on the board, so this is crucial to keep in mind as you share. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can share your boards quickly and efficiently, ensuring the right people have the right level of involvement. Enjoy collaborating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.